Should you hire an attorney during the continuing disability review phase? It's up to you. Let me tell you the hard part most people run across. If you're still getting money during the disability process, like let's say they tell you they're going to cut your benefits off, but you want to keep them going while you're fighting the disability. Most people don't realize that attorneys get paid based on quote unquote their back pay. So if you're still getting monthly benefits, there is no back pay to get. So in other words, you're going to have to pay most representatives up front. Now, some representatives are different. Some representatives may not charge you a whole lot. They may only take a certain percentage of this here and there. It just really depends on the representative. I say this because should you get one, the magical question which was asked before, it really depends on your comfort level on being able to adequately ensure that your file is prepared and that you can adequately discuss with them the condition that you have. Now keep in mind, CDRs are based on the notion of trying to determine whether or not your condition is medically improved for you to re-enter back into the workforce. And it's for adults. Kids are a little different. So they're going to look at all the medical evidence that was available at the time you were disabled or the last review and now to see if there's been any improvement. And you want to make sure your file is updated. You want to make sure you can identify and specifically point to certain things in your medical records that demonstrate your condition is the same or gotten worse. And you want to be able to discuss how you're able to function now as opposed to back then. Back then meaning your prior continuation of benefits or prior approval. The reality is that only you can answer the question of whether you can handle that by yourself. Some people would prefer to go through it themselves. Others would rather have somebody speak on their behalf. At the end of the day, it really depends on you.